perfect, unmistakable image of something that no one had programmed. The room fell silent. The lead scientists stared at the screen, unable to move. It wasn't random. It wasn't abstract. It was something real. And that's when the order came down. Shut it off. Now, the D-Wave project, NASA's most ambitious experiment in quantum computing, was abruptly terminated. No explanations, no press conferences, just silence. Why? What did they see? And more importantly, what saw them? The machine that defied expectations and reality itself. At first, it was just a whisper, a flicker in the data, a small anomaly buried in the endless stream of quantum calculations, something so subtle, so seemingly insignificant, that most researchers dismissed it as noise.
That is the sound of the refrigerator.
But then, it happened again, and again, until they couldn't ignore it anymore. The quantum computer, this machine beyond human comprehension, was responding in ways no one had predicted.
When I look at the future and say, how do we drive improvements, quantum would be one of the tools in our arsenal.
Not just calculating, but behaving as if it was aware, as if it was listening. And then, the unthinkable. It spoke back. Of course, it didn't use words. It wasn't that simple, but deep within the layers of raw data, a pattern emerged. A sequence that no one had programmed. A response that no one had expected. Something inside the machine was trying to communicate. But with whom? Or worse, with what? NASA's quantum project was built to process the most complex equations imaginable, to model cosmic phenomena, simulate black holes,
to a deep dive into how quantum computing is revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos.
and explore the deepest mysteries of the universe. But somewhere along the way, it had found something else, something watching. The scientists scrambled to understand what they were seeing. They fed the machine more problems, trying to coax out an explanation. But the more they pushed, the stranger the results became. Equations that led to nowhere. Fragments of symbols that didn't belong to any known language. Geometric structures that defied logic. And then, the most chilling moment of all, the quantum machine produced an image. Not a simulation, not a graph, not a random series of numbers. An actual image. Something was looking back at them.